Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified, where we break down complex topics into easy steps. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDT from Phantom to Bybit in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tether, USDT, from your Phantom wallet to the Bybit exchange, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for the latest updates since crypto evolves quickly. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Phantom wallet with USDT in it. Phantom is that popular wallet for Solana and other blockchains. Also, have a verified Bybit account ready, as exchanges like Bybit require KYC for security reasons. If you don't have these, pause here and get them sorted. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet app or extension. Log in and navigate to your USDT balance. Double-check that it's the correct network. USDT can be on different blockchains like Solana or Ethereum, so ensure it matches what Bybit supports, probably Ethereum or TRC20 for 2025. Step 2. Head over to Bybit. Log into your account, go to the Deposit section and select USDT. Copy the deposit address provided. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip: always verify the network type here to avoid lost funds. Step 3. Back in Phantom, hit the Send button. Paste the Bybit deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and review the fees. Gas fees might be involved, so keep an eye on that to save costs. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to approve it. Make sure everything looks right before you hit send. Once it's done, track the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan or Solscan. Step 5. Check your Bybit account. It might take a few minutes for the USDT to show up, depending on network congestion. If it doesn't arrive, don't panic. Use Bybit support or check the transaction status. A quick word of caution: in 2025, crypto regulations might be tighter, so always use hardware wallets for storage and enable two-factor authentication everywhere. This keeps your assets safe from hacks. There you have it. Transferring USDT from Phantom to Bybit is that simple. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.